Hello friends, welcome back to Datacraft Excel and BI Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to share an insight about how I have created this dashboard and which dataset we have used and which visuals that we have used to create this dashboard. Remember, this is only a short overview about this dashboard, but I'm going to upload a video in the upcoming days in which I will tell you in detail that how to create this dashboard. Alright, so let's get to the video. First of all, we have to see our data. So for that, we are going to go in our table view. Here is our data set here. First, we have a retailer column in which we have different retailers. Then we have their IDs, then the invoice date with the retailers. Then in this region column, we have our different regions in which our beverages has been sold. Remember, our um, dashboard is only about beverages, different beverages, Coca-Cola, Fanta, Sprite, etc. Then here we have our state column, that in which states our beverages have been sold. Then same goes for the city. Then we have our beverage brand, then the price per unit of that beverage brand, then the units sold of each beverage brand, then we have our total sales of each beverage brand, then our operating profit, then our operating margin. Alright, so we have viewed our data set. So now let's view our dashboard. So for that, we are going to go in our report view. Alright, so first of all, let's discuss the slices that we have used in our dashboard. Alright, so first slicer here, we have named it as month. We have categorized months here, meaning that if I had to select one month here, it will show the data worth of that 1 month. And if I unselect it, it will show the data of the whole year. Alright, then we have used second slicer in which we have categorized our month or grouped our year in quarters, meaning that in quarter 1 we are going to have 3 months, that meaning that in each quarter we will have 3 months and 3 months worth of data. So in quarter 1 I will have the data of January, February and March, and same goes for all of the other quarters. Alright, then our another slicer, beverage brand, in which we have categorized our beverages, Coca-Cola, Dasani water. Now it is showing us the data of all of the beverages, but if I had to select one beverage, it will show the data worth of that beverage. Alright, then we have another slicer named as region, in which it is categorized our regions, meaning if that I had to select northeast, it will show the data of the beverages sold in northeast, and same goes for all of the other regions. Then we have our retailer slicer, in which we have different retailers and the sales done by each retailer. Alright, then we have our tree map, in which it is telling us that how many units has been sold by each city, meaning that in New York we have sold 707,000 units. Then in Miami we have sold 598,000. Then at Atlanta we have sold 579,000, and then same for all of the other two cities. Then here we have our donor chart, in which it is telling us that how much sales has been done in each state. Here we have our states: New York, California, Texas, Hawaii, Washington, etc. And here is our sales done in each state. Then right here we have our stacked bar chart in which it is telling us that how much sales has been done by each retailer, meaning that soda pop has generated the sales of 4.4 million and fizzy sip has generated sales worth of 2.6 million dollars, and same for all of the other two retailers. Then we have our stacked column chart in which it is telling us that how much sales has been done in each month, meaning that in January we have done 0.51 million dollars sales, then in July we have done 1.04 million dollars sales, and then in December 1.05 million, and same for all of the other months. Then here we have used another donut chart in which it is telling us that how many units has been sold by each beverage brand. Here we have our beverages, and here is the data, um, put it in donut chart, meaning that Coca-Cola has uh, sold 4 million units, Diet Coke has sold 3 million units, Dasani Water has sold 3 million units, Sprite has sold 3 million units, Fanta has sold 2 million, and Powerade has also sold 2 million units. Then right here we have used three cards in which uh, it is telling us that how much sale has been done and how many units have we sold and how much profit have we generated. All right, so this is the short overview of our dashboard that we have created. So uh, just as I have discussed earlier, there is going to be an upcoming video in which I will tell you in detail that how we are going to create this dashboard. So take care, bye, and also don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.